Okay, the biggest problem you're going to face when you're writing the essay. Fine. Let's talk about globalization. This is the main fundamental problem which everyone will face when they're writing essay writing or a VAT. This will come in ZAT. This will come in IIMS as well. Okay. मैंने लिखना स्टार्ट किया about globalization. First paragraph, introduction. Fine. Second paragraph, when I'm writing, I remember some other good point. It happens here. The first 5 minutes into the game, I'll get new ideas. 10 minutes into the game, I'm getting more ideas. 15 minutes into the game, I'm getting major idea. Oh, shoot, I can talk about that. Why I'm not writing this? Then public change. Yeah. For example, globalization. Within globalization, brother is talking about India focus, made in India. Okay. After Made in India campaign, he written one big paragraph on Modi ji. And then he realized, oh shit, the topic is about globalization. And I'm talking about Modi ji. Third paragraph, he changed the stance altogether. So if you, this is a neutral line. Earlier, you're talking about this, then you're talking about this, then you're talking about this, then can you feel your writing? I'm not understanding तू बोलना क्या चाहता है भाई, तू कहना क्या चाहते हो, kind of feeling. Can you feel that? This is bound to happen, yaar. The moment you go spend more time with the topic, you are bound to get new ideas. Okay. इसके लिए what we're going to do, we're not going to write an essay top down. We are going to write the essay bottom up. I'll explain that. In your login ID, there are 6 videos, 6 workshops on essay writing. So please go through all of them. In your assigned courses, within assigned courses, GDPI. Yeah. Bottom up, what I mean by a bottom up, let's understand that. What I mean by bottom up is I am going to leave the first paragraph blank. Okay, that's my theory. Most of the people, that's my theory. Most of the people will read the summary in the first paragraph. Most of the panelists. And then just browse through the remaining essay. अच्छा ठीक है, मोटा मोटा ये बात कर रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ बात किया, ये बात किया, बाय बाय. ठीक है. Your summary is going to main thing. So what I'll do, I'll write my main point first and then write the summary in the end. And then come my conclusion. Do not write summary in the starting immediately. Okay, let me repeat that again. Earlier in our school days, क्या होता था? Paragraph number 1, para number 2, para number 3, and then summary. Summary used to be in the end. Today, summary is in the starting because nobody is going to read the computers. Look at any newspaper. Most of the times, the first article is the summary article. आप check करके देख लो, आपको idea आएगा वहां पे. ठीक है, तो हम भी यही करेंगे. We'll do उल्टा. We'll first write the main essay. 1 pointer, 2 pointer, 3 point. Ideally, 3 paragraph is good, depending on any size limit which is there. Any idea if that have a size? There's a size limit given to you. Anybody know if any size? There's a size 200 words, 300 words, 250 words. Okay, super. Thank you so much for that. 250 words. So 250 word is almost 2/3 of the page. 300 words is the complete page. Okay. So 250 words I have to write. So 5 paragraph is good enough. So 3 main points I'll add. Then I'll add the introduction and conclusion. Chalega. So my introduction is going to be my summary. Same way when you're going for the GDPI for IIMs, XLRE ka ZAT ka interview, GDPI is all same logic. Okay. Let's do bottoms up rather than doing top down. And you have to write a few essays. Trust me, you have to write a few essays to understand this. All right. Topic can be anything here. Topic can be current affair also. Topic can be a case study also. कुछ भी आएगा. कुछ भी मतलब कुछ भी आएगा.